Welcome back. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's very good news for you people because I am going to prepare a series of controlling videos which will cover your advanced from basic to advanced level of cost center accounting, profit center accounting, internal order, product costing, different scenario in product costing, then COPA or profitability analysis, then material ledger. Please like and subscribe the channel because when you subscribe, it motivates for us to research more and more and share our knowledge and experiences with all of you. So please do subscribe the channel. Now let's come back to topic. So you know that controlling is another module in SAP. Like finance, we have also the controlling model which deals with the management accounting. It is used for internal reporting purposes. So in controlling, first we are going to see the topic called operating concern. So operating concern is again a controlling module organizational unit. Like in FI, we have company creation unless a company code creations, right? There also have organizational hierarchy, company code, then purchase organization, sales organization, plan, profit center, all those things. Similarly, in controlling also, your first organizational unit is operating concern, which is the highest organizational unit in controlling. Okay, what operating concern does? So it helps you analyze the profit and loss based on different dimensions. Okay, so for example, you have got the profit or loss. Now you want to analyze from different angle. In that scenario, operating concern plays a crucial role. Let's say you got 1 lakh profit, but you want to know which product has given, what is the contribution of each product in the profit, what is the contribution of each customer, which is the customer giving maximum profit, which is the geography giving maximum profit, which country is giving maximum profit. So if you want to analyze from any of these dimension, then you need to go for operating concern. So operating concern is only required if you want to activate the profitability analysis, otherwise it is not required. So operating concern, if you want to activate profitability analysis, or profitability analysis is also known as a COPA. CO means controlling, PA means profitability analysis, otherwise it is not required operating concern. Now what is the relation between operating concern and controlling area? That we'll see little later. First let us understand what is the meaning of controlling area. So controlling area is little lower level of organizational unit in the controlling module. So controlling area comes below the operating concern, but it is also a organizational unit. Like in FI, you have company and company code. Not exactly, but let's try to understand with reference to this. So in FI, you have company and company code. So controlling area similar to that. So controlling area is also an organizational unit in the controlling module. What it does, which helps you to budget, plan of the cost, revenue and profit and loss, budget of the cost, revenue and profit and loss, and posting of the cost, revenue and profit and loss. So controlling area label, you can do planning, you can budgeting, you can do posting. Okay, so this is the use of the controlling area. Now what is the relation? First, we'll understand the relation between controlling area and company code, then we'll understand the relation between controlling area and operating concern. So, one controlling area you can assign to multiple company code if if all the company code is having same operative chart of account and same fiscal year variant. If all the company code is having single operative chart of account and I mean same chart operative chart of account and same fiscal year variant, then all the company code can be linked to the single controlling area. Now what is the relation between controlling area and operating concern? One controlling area can be assigned to, or many controlling area can be assigned to single operating concern if the controlling area and operating concern is having same fiscal year variant. If if you want to assign more than two controlling area to single operating concern, then all the controlling area should and must have the same fiscal year variant. So the controlling area and company code relation, it determines based on two parameter. All the company code should and must have the same chart of operative chart of account and fiscal year variant. And while linking controlling area to operating concern, all the controlling areas should and must have the same fiscal year variant. Then only it is possible to assign to control operating concern. So let's just put in this way. See, you have let's say ABCD operating concern, which has, let's say, K4 fiscal year variant. Now you have, let's say, a controlling area XYZ and CDE and LMO. These are three controlling area. If you all these three controlling area you want to assign to single operating concern, then all this should have the same fiscal year variant what is given to this operating concern. Okay. Now for example, this controlling area you want to assign to many company code. Let's say company code 1000, company code 2000, company code 3000. If you want to assign same controlling area to multiple company codes, then all this company code should have same fiscal year variant. Okay, same fiscal year variant what is given in XYZ, and same operative chart of account. Let's say X1 operative chart of account, X1 operative chart of account, and X1 operative chart of account. Okay, because in the controlling area you also enter the operative chart of account. So when this two parameter of the controlling area is matching with all the company code with this two parameter, then all this company code you can link with the single controlling area, and this controlling area you can link to the this operating concern. While linking controlling area with the operating concern, so this is the controlling area, controlling areas, these are the company codes. So when you are linking the controlling area with the operating concern, it checks only fiscal year variant either same or not. But when company code you are linking with the when you are controlling area linking with the company code, then it will check two parameter between controlling area and company code, that is fiscal year variant and company fiscal year variant and operative chart of account should be same. Okay, then only all this company code can be assigned to single controlling area, but all this company code cannot be assigned to another controlling area. That is also important point. One company code should have only one controlling area. I hope you are clear. Okay. Okay, so now either all this company code can link to the single controlling area, or each company code can have their own controlling area. Like let's say 1000 can link to this controlling area, 2000 can link to this controlling area, 3000 can link to this controlling area. Anyway it is possible, provided that you need to analyze your business scenarios. Okay, you need to provide the business scenario. Let's say you want to link 2000 to this controlling area, then whatever fiscal year variant is given for this controlling area should have the fiscal year same here. Let's say here Y1 chart of account is there, so here also it should have the Y1 chart of account. Let's say this controlling area you want to link to this company code, so fiscal year variant should same. And let's say here you have Z1 chart of account, so here also Z1 operative chart of account. Okay, Now this company code can link to this controlling area. This company code cannot be linked to this controlling area. Okay, because see, you have same chart of same fiscal year variant, but you don't have same chart of account. So it has this has difference. So it is not possible. So this controlling area can link to this company code only, and this company code controlling area can link to this company code only, and this to this. I hope you are clear, because you have to understand in very detail. Therefore I have taken many scenarios, so you may get confused, but watch 2 3 4 times and try to understand. So now let's say 2000 and 3000 I want to link to this controlling area. Is it possible? Is it possible? If you want to link these two company code to this controlling area, then both the company code must have the same fiscal year and same operational chart of account. Check here, K4, K4. So first criteria it is matching, fiscal year very matching. But what about chart of account? It is not matching. Here X1 is there, but here Y1 and Z1 is there. So it is not possible. So if this is how you have to analyze it. Okay. I hope you understood. Now, what is the advantage if you are having single controlling area for many company codes? This is very important point. So let's say one controlling area is equal to many company code. Then what advantage you'll get? So first advantage I have written, cross company code transaction that must be processed in controlling area, for example. Okay. So cross company code cost accounting is not possible. For example, you want to move the cost from one company code which belongs to 1000 company code, and to another cost center will belong to 2000 company code, is only possible if you are using single controlling area for both the company code. Okay, if both the company code is having the separate controlling area, then cross company code cost transferring is not possible. That is the first point. Second point, only maintain the set of cost elements versus company code specific cost element. Okay, so what happen if you are using, if you are using single controlling area, then whatever cost elements are available in company code 1, same cost element can also be available in company code B also. Okay, so there is no requirement of maintaining different cost element company code wise. But if you are using if you are using more than two two if you are using company code specific controlling area, a different controlling area for each company code, then for each company code you have to create different cost element. Let me repeat this factor. So if you are using single controlling area, you need same cost element can be used for all the company code. If you are using different controlling area, for each company code you have to create different cost element. That is the big challenge. Okay, then capability to run periodic closing run combined for all the company code. So like closing activities, be it month end activities, year end activities, quarter end activities, you can perform at the controlling area level. Then for all the company code it will be applicable. But if different company code is having different controlling area, then for each company code you have to perform different month-end activities, which is very tedious job. Okay, so transfer price and profit center accounting. Transfer pricing is too early to discuss. So in next topic we'll be discussing about the transfer pricing. Transfer pricing is also possible if you are using single controlling area. If you are using different controlling area for different company code, then it is not possible. Similarly, group costing also, it is also separate thing. Then similarly, cost component splitting, and is cost group costing is possible if you are using single controlling area. Then cost component splitting in the source company code is also possible if you are using single controlling area. Then multi-level product cost management, this is also possible if you are using single controlling area. These topics I'm purposefully not discussing here, because I want you to subscribe the channel. That is very important, so that you will be learning in the future videos. Okay, now Then what is the advantage you'll get if you go 1:1 controlling area? One company code is equal, sorry, one controlling area is equal to one company code. So what advantage you'll get? So this is the advantage you'll get. So at controlling area, you are not going to consolidate because all the company code have different controlling area. But at COPA level, at operating concern level, you can do the consolidation, because you know that if physical year variant of all the company code is same, sorry, all the controlling area is same, then all this controlling area can be linked to operating concern. Okay, so if X, this company code has this controlling area, this company code has this controlling area, this company code has this controlling area, all this controlling area can be linked to single operating chart of operating concern. All this controlling area can be linked to single operating concern. So the consolidation of all this company code is not possible here, but it can be possible to at the operating concern level. So that you have to do. That is the first point. See here, consolidation, analysis, settle transaction cross company in COPA level. Okay, in this you have done more than one controlling area to operating concern. That you lead. Representation intercompany process whereby producing the delivering the plant are same. So as I said here, group costing or transfer pricing. So generally in the transfer pricing, we sell the product from one plant of one company code to another plant of another company code. Okay, that is possible because you are using single controlling area. But if you don't have cross company goods movement from one plant of one company code to another plant of another company code, in that if you don't have that scenario, you have only the scenario where your delivering and producing plant is under same company code, under the same company code. For example, under one company code you are having two plant where one is producing and another is selling. So if you have two kind of plant, then probably you can go for single controlling area. Reason being, if you want to get the, because in real time one company could definitely transfer their product or raw material or semi-finished goods from their plant to another company code plant. Okay, but if you don't think that that kind of requirement is there for you, then you can go for single controlling area. Okay, single controlling area where every all the plant belongs to you only. You are only producing, you are only delivering, you are only selling, everything you are doing within one company code, then probably you can go for single controlling area. But it is highly not recommended to go for single controlling area, because it generally closes all your future expansion, all your future things. So it is always recommended to go for one controlling area for many company codes. Please subscribe the channel. I'm going to cover so many other things. So this was the purpose, because in interview they'll ask you why to go for one controlling area, why to go for each company code wise controlling area. So these are the some fine. Again, I'm requesting, please subscribe the channel if you want to be expert in controlling module. Thank you so much.